The User EQ section provides access to a powerful and versatile room equalizer. It allows you to adjust the equalization independently for each output channel or group. Channel gain adjustments can be made to control the volume of individual channels or groups. The User EQ offers 3 types of equalizers to suit your needs, all of which can be used simultaneously. The first option is the 1/3 octave graphic EQ, which visually represents your adjustments. You can interact directly with sliders using your mouse, enter values into the gain fields, or navigate through bands using the Tab and Shift plus Tab keys. Gain values can be fine-tuned with the up and down arrow keys for precision. The parametric EQ provides advanced tools for precise room fine-tuning. Each of the 6 bands can be configured as a peak, low shelf, or high shelf EQ, with adjustments available for frequency, gain, and bandwidth. Finally, the bass and treble EQ allows you to adjust the overall sound contour, with the option to select the frequency of the treble band. Additional functionality includes the flat button, which resets all EQ adjustments for the selected channel or group, as well as copy and paste buttons for quickly duplicating settings between channels or groups. You can also export and import EQ settings to and from external files for added convenience. Once configured, the User EQ preset can be saved for future use. The delay section enables you to set delays for each channel or group with precision. Delays can be specified in milliseconds, meters, or feet, ensuring flexibility for different setups. Like the EQ settings, delay presets can also be saved for later use.